Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve fourth set from CAT 2022 slot 2. So first of all, take the screenshot of this data and the questions, try this set by yourself and then come back to explanation video. So now let's start solving this set. Let's read the data carefully. The two plots below show data for four companies named A, B, C, D over 3 years 2019, 2020 and 2021. The first plot shows the revenue and cost incurred by the companies during these years. For example, in 2021 company C earned, 2021 and company C. So over here the revenue is how much, 100 crores, and the spend is how much, 30 crores, means over here. The profit of a company is defined as its revenue minus its cost. So first of all, what we need to do is, let's convert this graph into the table quickly. The table is going to be like this. So let's represent this data in this table. So over here in the year 2019 is represented by triangle. So for company A, the revenue is 90. The cost is somewhere over here, let's call it as 85. So the profit is 5. For company B, the revenue is 100. The cost is somewhere here 75. The profit is 25. For company C, the revenue is somewhere over here 25 and the cost is 20, 25, 20 and the profit is 5. For company D, the revenue is 50, cost is 40, 50, 40 and then 10. Similarly, for the year 2020, the data is represented by using orange color. So for company A, the revenue is 90 and the 65 is the cost. So 90, 65, the profit is 25. For company B, over here, it is 90, 40. So the profit is 50. For the company C, here it is, so it is 70, 60. The profit is 10. For company D is over here, it is 20, 50. The profit is minus 30 over here. For 2021, the data is represented by using a gray circle. So over here, let's read the data points represented by gray circle. For company B, it is 30 and 30 and 30. Hold on. For company B, it is 30 and 30. The profit is 0. For company C, it is 130. The profit is 70. For company A, it is 60 and 30. The profit is 30. And for company D, it is 70. And over here it is 70, so the profit is 0 over here. So now let's have a look at the second plot over here. The second plot shows the number of employees employed by the company at the start of each of these 3 years, as well as the number of new employees hired each year. For example, company B had 250 employees at the start of 2021. Company B 2021, at the start 250 employees are there. And 30 employees are newly joined in that year. So these 30 employees are not included in 250. So in total number of employees working in the year 2021 becomes 250 plus 30, that is equal to 280. So again, let's convert this table, this plot into the table like this. So over here 2019 data points are represented by using triangle. The number of employees at the start is 150 and the newly joined is 20 for company A. For company B, it is 210 and 35 newly joined. For company C it is 325 and the newly joined is somewhere 45. And for company D it is 400 is at the start, 30 is newly joined, 430 then. For 2020 the data points are represented by using orange color. For company A it is 150, for company it is 140 and 35. For company B it is 240 and 45. For company C it is 325 and 40. For company D it is 410 and 35. Similarly, for the year 2021 the data points are represented by using this dot. So over here 150 comma 25, over here 250 comma 30. For company C it is 325 comma 35, and after that for company D it is 400 comma 40. So now let's have a look at questions one by one. The first question is, considering all the 3 years, which company had the highest annual profit? So for that we need to take the help of first table over here. So let's copy this table. So question number 16 is, considering all 3 years, which company had the highest annual profit? Annual profit is nothing but total profit divided by 3. So for company A the total profit is 60 divided by 3. For company B the total profit is 75 divided by 3. Here it is 85 divided by 3, and here it is minus 20 divided by 3. So which profit is the highest profit? For company C it is the highest profit. Let's have a look at question number 17. Which of the 4 companies experienced the highest annual loss in any of the year? So again it is dependent on previous table. The highest loss in any of the year is over here. This is the only instance where there is a loss, that is minus 30, a loss of 30 crore, which is for company D. After this, question number 18. Question number 18, the ratio of company's annual profit to its annual cost is a measure of its performance. Which of the 4 companies had the lowest value of this ratio in the year 2019? We are talking about the year 2019 for these 4 companies A, B, C, D. The ratio of profit divided by cost. In 2019 for company A, profit divided by cost is 5 divided by 85. For company B it is 25 divided by 75. For company C it is 5 divided by 20, and for company D it is 10 divided by 40. So you can see that this ratio is 1 by 4, this ratio is 1 by 4, this ratio is 1 by 3, this ratio is 1 by 17. So for company A the ratio is lowest. The answer is company A. After this, question number 19, the total number of employees lost in 2019 and 2020 was the least for. So over here, to solve 19th, we need to take the help of second table. The second table is this one. Hold on. So in question number 19, look at the total number of employees lost. I think instead of lost it is left. Total number of employees left in the year 2019 and 2020. So look at 2019 and 2020. For company A, the total number of employees lost. So at the start of 2019, 150 employees are there. So over here 140 employees are left. It means 10, okay, these 10 employees left along with these 20. So 10 plus 20, 30 employees left in the year 2019. So over here 140 employees are there, here 150 employees are there, means 10 employees are new. Means out of these 35 employees, only 10 employees retained. Means the remaining 25 lost, remaining 25 left. So total employees left from company A during these 2 years is 55. In company B, 2,210 employees are there, plus 35, that is 245. 245 employees were there. Over here only 240 are left, means 5 employees are left. Over here 240 plus 45, 285 are there. But now only 250 are left. 285 minus 250, 30 are left. Total 35 are left. For company C, 325 plus 45, that is 370 are there. 325 are left. 325 are remaining. Means 370 minus 325 means 35 are left. Hold on, let me check this calculation. Over here 325 plus 45 is 370. 370 minus 325 is 45. 45 left the company in the year 2019. In the year 2020 it is 325 plus 40, that is 365 minus 325, that is equal to 30, means total 75 employee left. In the company D, 400 plus 30, 430 minus 410, 20 employees left. Here 410 plus 35, that is equal to 445 minus 400, 45 are left in the year 2020, total 65 are left. So the total number of employees left in 2019 and 2020 combined was the least for the company B. This is how we can solve question number 19. After this, question number 20. Question number 20 is the profit per employee is the ratio of company's profit to its employee strength. For this purpose, the employee strength in a year is the average of employee strength at the beginning of the year and at the beginning of the next year. So in 2020, which of the 4 companies had the highest profit per employee? So let's have a look at it. So we are talking about the year 2020. We need to find the ratio of total profit divided by strength 1 plus strength 2 divided by 2. The average of the strength, which strength? Total number of employees at the beginning of 2020 plus total number of employees at the beginning of 2021 divided by 2, average. So let's calculate this ratio. The profit in the company, okay, the profit in the year 2020 is how much? Let's have a look at it. The profit in the year 2020 is 25, 50, 10 minus 30. So 25, 50, 10 and minus 30. Now divided by what we need to do over here. Let's have a look at it. Let me copy the second table. So the average of the strength in the year 2020 and 2021, the average of these two numbers is 145. The average of these two numbers is 245. The average of these two numbers is 325. And the average of these two numbers is 405. So which ratio is the highest? So option company D is eliminated over here. You can see that this ratio is nothing but 25 divided by 112.5. This ratio is 25 divided by 145. So among these two, which one is highest? This is not. This is the highest. Now let's compare this one and this one. Let's divide numerator denominator by 5 over here. So it is 10 divided by 5. 4s are 5 9s. It is 10 divided by 325. So among these two, this one is not greater. This one is greater because the denominator is lesser over here. So the respective ratio is the highest for company B. So our answer is option 4.